Hey, I'm Brian Mann with Guild Mortgage. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming event, Buyers and Brews. If you love pizza, you love beer, and you want to learn about buying a house, this is the place for you to come hang out for a little while.
I think in my head, for my whole life, I've had that you have to have like a 20% down payment, 100%, or else you're going to be completely screwed. So it was really nice for Brian to bring up some of these like different options that you have, and while I peltered him with questions about them.
All the beer and pizza is on me, so it doesn't cost you anything. And we're going to talk about all kinds of stuff in this event. So we're going to look at obtaining a mortgage. We're going to talk about down payment assistance. We'll look at CHFA, which is the Colorado Housing and Finance Association, their down payment assistance product, and even at Guild, we have our very own first-time homebuyer products.
We start all having the same questions about how to own a home. Like we all have these like preset ideas of what it means to own a home, and especially in Boulder, especially in this county. And so it's really nice to be in an environment where you can ask some of these questions that we're just not sure and not clear about the answers.
It was great. It's a great presentation. Brian obviously knows what he's talking about, so I learned a lot today. A lot of things about that he mentioned about credit and about what's available to me for a first-time home buyer was very valuable to me. So, absolutely, I would definitely recommend it to everybody.